palangga, good evening. So for tonight, andito tayo sa itaas ng building para i-witness natin mamaya yung fireworks display sa pag-welcome ng 2025. So andito tayo sa taas, mas magandang view dito kumpara doon sa baba kasi pag nasa baba tayo maraming tao doon. So dito tayo sa taas, kitang-kita natin kahit malayo pero full package naman ang view dito. So ayan, kung makikita nyo, ganyan yung view ng Singapore dito sa gabi. Ayan, and that is the Marina Bay Sands. Ayun, isa sa mga landmark ng Singapore. So this is the view. Antayin na lang natin. Pero before that, punta tayo sa baba and ikot-ikot muna tayo. And then babalik tayo dito mamaya para sa fireworks display. Meron silang show doon sa baba. So punta tayo doon. Tingin-tingin tayo saglit. So let's go.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm